Hello parents, welcome back to Be Your Child's Superhero. Hi, this is Komal. I'm going to talk about some tips that are going to make you a superhero parent and that are going to help you to make your child smart, confident and independent. So as we were talking about sex education and good touch and bad touch, and we learned in our last video that this topic is super important to talk about, and before talking about it we have to practice being open-minded and being non-judgmental towards us. Now, how to start? I will start with child who is like 3 years, 4-year-old child. As soon as the kid starts speaking, we will have to talk about this because really that is important. This is as important as walking because we all know how unsafe the world can get sometimes, even for a 3-year-old. So you can start the conversation with a 3-year-old, 5-year-old simply by, usually you start doing like shame. Okay, never do that. Whenever they're changing the clothes or whenever they're naked in the like public area or in the hall in the room as well, just maybe they're changing in public and maybe they're not wearing their underwear or something, and we do it in a mocking way, we do shame. So the first tip is no shame, whatever happens, no shame. So what you can do is teach your child that what activities are supposed to be done in a public place, what activities are supposed to be done in a private place. So now for example, if your child is just taking his underwear off or taking his waist off and running around, rather than saying no, wear your clothes, shame, what you can do is, come, let's go to the washroom, come, let's go to our room. We always change in our room because these are our private places. So simply these are our private body parts. We don't go and change public place. We can only show our private parts to mama, papa or a doctor in mama's presence. You can simply use the words public and private, and you can start your child's sex education in a right way at a very early age at the right time. So start with that what are your private, we do teach body parts. We do teach eyes, we do teach nose, we do teach lips. So don't forget to teach them about vagina and penis and hips, your nose, your ears. All the parts need to be talked about, and even your breast, everything. And all you have to teach them is that these are our body private parts, and we test these private parts in a private area, washroom or in our room, and nobody can touch these areas except our parents or a doctor in parents' presence. So start your child's good touch and bad touch education right now and see how it's going to help you to make your child confident and self-aware and safe, of course. Stay tuned if you want to learn make your child more self-aware, more confident, better at social and emotional skills, better at language and communication skills. You can also check out our program. Link is in the bio. It's just 2 sessions per week with lots of fun and lots of learning. Stay tuned. I'll be back with more tips and tricks.